Hi YouTube, Mitch with I-95 Muscle. Got a 99 Cherokee for you today. Really nice little, looks like rough country lift and suspension. Some Mastercraft 31 1050s on 15-inch black wheels. He's got a little armor stuff going on. Nice bumpers with the winch mount. Looks like a jerry can carrier, bumper jack, all kinds of stuff. The part I didn't see coming was how clean the interior is. I'll go for a ride there. Most of these Jeeps have been like gutted and there's nothing left. No carpet or anything, but this one's really nice. No engine lights or anything, 160,000 miles. Go for a ride real quick. Pull her back in the shop. Fine detail out here, getting this Corvette as clean as possible. This is what our store looks like in Hope Mills. Most of our stuff's kept inside. And looks like this when you get in here. Of course, you can park outside and walk in, but I work here, so I can drive it. The perks. The perks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Website's i95muscle.com. Look forward to hearing what you guys have to say. Thanks.